Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's short video, we are going to take up another short note from linguistics, that is syntagmatic and paradigmatic relationships. हम कहते हैं कि language structured होती है, हम कहते हैं कि language system of systems होती है, तो उसे आज prove करते हैं. Yes, there is inherent relationship between the structures of a language, between morpheme, between phoneme, between syntax and semantics. So that refers to the syntagmatic and paradigmatic relationship between a language. तो समझ लेते हैं. एनटीए यूजीसी नेट के स्टूडेंट्स, यूपीपीएससी जीडीसी के स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट नोट्स हैं. डू व्यू and comment your remarks. Paradigmatic relationship refers to when I say this thing sit. मैंने एक वर्ड कहा sit. S I know is a consonant sound, I know is a vowel sound, and T I know is a consonant sound. Once again, when I replace S with B, or when I exchange B with even P, so pit hole. So when I am able to change these things, जब हम paradigmatic relationships की बात करते हैं तो we talk about this relationship. Consonant can be replaced by consonant. Bake, take, cake. I am replacing consonant with a consonant sound. So this is a paradigmatic relationship. Consonants, they belong to one family, whereas syntagmatic relationship is how sit is formed. S plus I plus T. This is the syntagmatic relationship. Words, they combine together to form words. And when we replace one consonant with other, जब हम कहते हैं cat, mat, rat, this is the paradigmatic relationship. When I say this thing r plus a plus t, this is the syntagmatic relationship. Paradigmatic relationship and syntagmatic relationship, ये language के relationships को बताता है कि language में क्या inherent relations हैं. तो syntagmatic paradigmatic relations talk about the relation between the smallest of smallest unit and how words combine, how sounds combine to form words. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.